Today we are trying out our version of Terra's Turkey Chili, inspired by the official cookbook of The Walking Dead. We're going to start off with a pot of water, a couple of audible chilies and some chili chipotles, to throw these in the water and let them boil till soft. From the bag we are going to be taking out a can of beans and a can of tomatoes that we'll be using later on. Once our chilies are nice and soft, we can take them out and throw them into our grinder. To a pan we add about half an onion, some jalapenos, and we stir till brown. Some pre-cooked grinded turkey meat and our chili paste. We're gonna stir and cook for a couple of minutes. We don't have chicken stock, so we'll be using our leftover chili water and adding some chicken flavoring to it. We'll also be adding about a teaspoon of dried thyme, cayenne pepper, dried cumin, dried oregano, dried garlic powder, and a bay leaf. Let's add our tomatoes and our beans. We mix everything in and we let it come to a boil. Once our chili is boiling, we let it simmer for about an hour. Then we are ready to eat.